Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we have come back with ZenQ recruitment. If you want to know about the details on your own, you can check the link from the description box, which is directly placed from the official website. And not only the details, if you want the links to directly apply, you can consider yourself visiting our website Freshers Now for all the details plus the links for your direct application process, and for more updates regarding jobs and instant updates regarding jobs. All of this you can get it in one place through Telegram channel for Freshers Now. Join us by clicking on the link which is placed in the description box. Do not delay. ZenQ has opened its vacancy, has its opening for test engineer off-campus hiring, and the details are as follows. Hyderabad, Telangana, India is the place of posting, and job posted is on December 2nd, 2021. The employment type is going to be permanent. The experience range, you can be a fresher or you can have 1 year of experience, anything would be fine. Here they have given about section where if you want you can read, and here are the main details of the job. Position details. The designation is a test engineer. Place of posting is going to be Hyderabad, and for this is open for a fresher as well. The eligibility criteria for this particular role is as follows: BE or a B.Tech, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, Mechanical and MCA passed out candidates for 2021 and 2020. You are eligible to apply for this off-campus recruitment. You must be having 65% and above through all of your academic years and should be interested to work on testing. No pending backlogs will be entertained, so make sure that you're not having any sort of backlogs when you're applying for the role. Candidates should also possess good technical skills from their academic sections as well. The selection process or the selection procedure is as follows. Level 1 is an online written test. Online written test is an aptitude C programming, which is going to be for 1.5 hours, and essay, which is going to be for 15 minutes. So that is how it is going to go. Once if you clear your level 1, which is your written test, online written test, you will be then proceeded to the level 2 stage, which is on technical round. Technical round 1, then you will have level 3, technical round 2, then level 3 you have technical round 3, and then level 4, which is HR round. Only if you clear all the technical rounds, you will be proceeded to level 4, which is the HR interview round. So this is the selection stages of this particular role. So if you are interested, consider yourself applying for the position by just clicking on this button here. It will redirect you to this page where it will ask you to log in with your Google account or your LinkedIn, or you can also sign in with your email or mobile number. So if you're new or if you don't have any sort of accounts like that, you can just sign up, and then it will ask you to create your account with your email, password, and then you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can sign up. That's how you do. And if you have any other queries, if you have any other suggestions to make, please place them in the comment section. And also stay tuned for more videos like this, because you might not be missing to land up in fortunate companies like these. Consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.